Hi YouTube, this is another makeup video with me, and I am doing my sister's makeup just because. So what I got today was the Boss Mood Morphe palette. Morphe! It is 35M and these colors are so pretty. We are going to be using these for the majority of our little eye look today. Gorgeous. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So one of the free gifts that I got was the Becca Velvet Blurring Primer. We're gonna go ahead and prime her face.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I suggest you watch.
You better watch. I'm coming for you.
So we also got the Shape Tape in color Medium Honey. I'm gonna go ahead and start on the eyes. So we're gonna use the Morphe Eyelid Primer. So we went ahead and did her eyebrows off camera, and we are gonna go ahead and start on her eyes.
Said bump that. On to the next best.
So the transition shade that we are going to use is going to be this in the corner.
Yes. I'm very disappointed.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Other.
The storms we chase are leading us. And love is
This side of my face is just better in general. Eyebrow.
This one. Now we're going to take Candy Crush.
we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
We're going to go out and take Green with Envy.
This is a serious fall look. Jesus
Oh
Christ.
God.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Express yourself. Express yourself. Don't forget it.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
So I am going to take this gold color.
Around these walls,
They do better on your
create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
And we're just gonna clean up a little bit of the fallout under the eye before we finish the face.
Wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow. Through the wastelands, through the
So now we're gonna take our Shape Tape in color Medium Honey.
finding life along the way.
It's beautiful.
Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
So we are going to go ahead and apply the bronzer contour shade to her cheekbone. Hey, Leo. And we have a visitor.
How you know the nap was good. Yeah.
We're gonna take this Milani with the color Luminoso. I'm gonna curl her lashes.
We are going in right now with the Dior It Lash Mascara. I forgot to actually say this in the video, so there you go. Levi got a little fussy, so I had to hold him while I was doing this part. I'm actually adding concealer as a base so that she has crisp, clean lipstick when I apply it. So what I'm adding now is a lipstick by NARS called Anita, and then I'll be dabbing on a matte lip cream by Ulta in the color Bestie.
So this is our fall look. I'm not a professional, but I feel like I did a pretty decent job. All right, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.
Bye. Follow me on Instagram. The link will be below.
Oh gosh.